In Rayong, Thailand, a sustainable energy journey began. With rising energy needs, S.Kijchai sought a cleaner, more cost-efficient energy solution. TotalEnergies ENEOS and S.Kijchai began a long-term partnership toward energy transformation.
Our journey with S.Kijchai began with a 5-megawatt solar rooftop project in 2019. To further reduce emission, we then deployed our first floating solar installation as a second milestone together. With these two projects combined, the system generates a clean energy every year, cutting thousands of tons of carbon dioxide emissions and reducing reliance on grid power.
A sustainable source of reliable, clean energy that will power S.Kijchai's manufacturing for the long term while cutting emissions and cost. This partnership is built on trust, shared values, and a commitment to sustainability. Together, we continue to shape a cleaner energy future. Let's power your business sustainably.